So how does your team convert leads at 50 to 60%? Well, the short answer is we have a process down that is bulletproof. I'm not gonna say it's bulletproof. There's actually some flaws to it at times, but for the most part, as long as our BDC agents follow the process, we will convert in the 50 to 60% range. We have a series of about 100 to 120 saved responses that we put in. Those are some in English, some in Spanish. Depending on your area, we may not put in the Spanish saved responses. But we actually use those saved responses, and when the message comes in, if someone says, hey, how can I get on this deal? Then our team has a saved response. They're able to send that pretty much immediately. Like, our goal is to be able to, when a lead comes in, is to be able to touch that lead with a response in under a minute. The idea is to do it instantaneously, and that's one of the things that really sets our company apart, because we have a lot of agents and we don't give them a lot of pages to manage. So on average, the most any of our agents will ever be, like, as far as pages, the most they'll ever be watching is 4. And then we have it set up to where I have leads that overwatch a team of 4 to 5 agents, right? So those agents will send in the saved responses. If they need help, they're going to reach out to the lead, and the lead will help them create a custom response. So because we actually really follow this process to a T, we're able to see really, really, really good results. And those saved responses are based on our years and years and years of experience of sales. I've been basically in sales my entire life. I can tell you about the first product I ever created, but we won't get into that. You can ask me if we get a chance to talk on a demo, or if you have questions or whatever. But I've been in sales a long time, and we basically, you guys at the dealership have, the road to the sale. We have the road to the appointment. So every time someone asks a question, when we respond, we answer their question, but then we also ask them another question, because we all know if whoever is asking the questions is the one leading the conversation, right? So we try to take control every chance we get. So if the person says, how can you do so much for my trade? We have a saved response that says, right now, we have found that it's easier to purchase public vehicles from the public than it is to go and compete against other dealerships at the auction. All we need to do to lock in your voucher for this huge event is set up your VIP appointment. What day and time works best for you, right? So now we've taken back control. They may come back and they say, well, I can't come in this week, or they might not respond, or whatever it is, but at least we know that the response that we sent them was, proven and tested to be able to generate an appointment. So that's how we're able to get the results that we get.